Hello kids, welcome to littleyTV. So kids, our today's topic is multiplication table and we will learn table of 8. So let's start. 8 1 is 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6 are 48. 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. 8 10s are 80. So kids, it's time to repeat it one more time. 8 1 is 8. 8 1 is 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. 8 6 are 48. 8 6 are 48. 8 7s are 56. 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. 8 9s are 72. 8 10s are 80. 8 10s are 80. So kids, thank you for watching this video. See you tomorrow with our next video for table of 9. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.
Little TV. Watch, play, learn.